Hi guys, I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia PT NAATI and IELTS coaching. After 5th of November, so many of our students have got 8 each, 9 each, perfect 90s, and this is one more example of our student Rohit. He recently took his test. You can see the test date as well. He has got 89 overall, right? A band 9 in 3 modules. Listening 90, speaking 90, writing 89, and reading is also pretty amazing, right? Now, how did he get this score? And to be honest, it was not his first attempt, but he was taking regular feedback, one-to-one assistance. You can check out his Google review as well on our page, and you'll understand what type of review we give. Now, not only this, he also cleared his NAATI. So it's a win-win, 25 points. Now, the reason why he got his score was because he was very careful in the use of his templates, especially in write, essay, and summarize spoken text. You might have seen so many templates on YouTube, by other institutes, and everyone thinks that everything is free. Let's try it out. But when you do it in the real exam, or when you try out different apps or website to practice, you might be seeing 80s, 89, 90, whatever on the app or the website. But in the real exam, when you go, you're surprised when you see the scores, Like on XYZ app, I was getting 90 in speaking, I was getting 85 in speaking, but in the real exam, I got only 62 or 68. How did that happen? Well, that happens because these are not actual PTE websites or PTE owned apps. These are third-party applications. Even we have our free app website. It's called mockmaster.ai. It's free, totally free. But these all scores which you see are indicative scores. So if you want to score like Rohit in your first or second attempt, stop wasting money and join an institute which actually gives one-to-one feedback, one-to-one assistance, unlimited one-to-one feedback for your homework, and one-to-one classes included as well. You can't get a better deal. Well, just few tips. Speak very naturally in describe, image, and retell lecture, which will be a bit slower than your speed at which you do read aloud and repeat sentence. Read aloud, repeat sentence has to be a bit faster compared to the speed of describe, image, and retell lecture. If your answers don't have good content in describe, image, and retell lecture, you will not get good points in speaking, and you'll not get good points on listening as well. Retell lecture, very important for a good score in listening. If you're writing very tiny sentences in the essay, in the body paragraphs which you write on your own, or if you're going to repeat the same words again and again and again and again, you won't get a good score in writing. Believe me, you won't. If content is not good, you instantly get a score 0 or very close to 0. So it's pointless. It's a waste of time. In summarize spoken text, don't follow templates randomly. So many students tell us that, hey, I joined this class, before you, or I followed this template before you, but nobody explained how to use the template. When should I use plural nouns, when to use singular nouns, when to use articles? Nobody explains. And that's what we do. We actually explain. Along with that, we also help with NAATI classes in 7 languages: Nepali, Hindi, Punjabi, Gujarati, Malayalam, Telugu, and Sinhalese. Plus, we also have IELTS classes, academic and general training both. So, we have some good deals. I would say great deals for Boxing Day. They already started. So whether you're looking for just PT or PT plus NAATI or IELTS, you can visit our website. The website and the contact numbers will be mentioned in the comment. I'm Malcolm. Make sure you follow us, and good luck.